But I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the noon. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed. When we play our roles and ignore the problems. I like to be way more patient. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow. I think I'll chew it. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed. When we play our roles and ignore the problems. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed. When we play our roles and ignore the problems. I wish I knew.
오케이. 마스크 벗어도 되는 거 아닐까? Thank you.
Called gili-lankanfushi. It's a combination with ginger, apple, lemongrass, blended with sparkling water.
물 반겨주고 있어. 헬로. 헬로, 땡큐. 헬로, 헬로. 안녕하세요. 땡큐. 땡큐. 와. 와, 너무 예쁘다. 와, 날씨 너무 좋다. 와.
So this way, it will lead you to our library. Kashiveli is our main restaurant, boutique. Our water bar is based on this side of the island. our boutique. That is Sifani. Sifani is our jewelry shop.
Yeah.
It is from Sri Lanka.
아,
The library. Library is 24 hours open. So as you see that box over there, inside the box we have the board which you can play this game.
오케이.
The best snorkeling spot for the island is the island over there, the small island over there.
Yeah.
The left side of the island we use it for snorkeling.
아,
Right side we don't use it because we have a channel where boat coming and
okay.
going for safety reasons. To go there you can come down here. From here we can arrange the boat and you can go from Meera to your farm. And this 3-hour water bar is open 12:30 for lunch and it will be open until the last guest leave in the evening. So basically there is no closing time. And then right over here, this is our main restaurant we call Kashiveli. From morning 7:30 to 10:30 for breakfast and 5 days a week for dinner. We have organic vegetable garden. The entrance from this side of the island for the organic vegetable garden is right over here.
여기가 그 농작물 다 길러가지고 먹는데.
The jungle cinema is right over here.
아, 이 사람구나.
Right inside we have over there, you can see the sun launches and then the screen over there.
Yeah.
We do every Monday and Thursday public screening over here.
Yeah.
We don't require any reservation for here. It's first come first served there. So if you like to come from morning 9 to 8 p.m. in the evening. Morning 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. in the evening. You don't require any reservation here. This place opens from 9 to 6 in the evening. So 9 in the morning open and 6 in the evening.